2024 Sylvan X3 Tri-Toon. Performance package on it, electric bimini, comes with a full cover, has a Mercury 150 horse, extended deck, ski tow, nice wide stainless swim ladder. Does come with a table. This one has 4 benches and dual captain's chairs, so you can lounge 4 different places or sit in one of the captain's chairs. It's a changing room that pops up there. Tilt steering, depth finder, cell phone holder, in-floor storage. Really nice boat, roomy. One of the most popular layouts. There is storage in the helm there as well. Front, side, and rear gates. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's.